Oh my god, it's so cold. So, we're inside of my car. This is what inside looks like, a little overview. And then the back as well. Oh my god, it's so cold. I'm gonna have to turn the engine on because it is bloody freezing. Oh my god. Wow. That is loud. It's a Fiat 500 Sport. It's a 68 plate. I got it in November 2018 and I absolutely love it. It's got the sport wheel. As you can see, it's got the little flat bit at the bottom. But yeah, it's got like the sport aspects. It doesn't have the sport program which you can normally get here. This is like city driving instead. Sometimes you can get a sport button which goes there, but I haven't in this one. But yeah, so it's brand new basically. I'm the first owner of it, so I'm just gonna go over what's where and whatnot. So firstly, we have my wheel. Like I said, it's a sport wheel, so it's like got a little bit of a flat bottom. It's got like these thumb grips at the top. We have the mute button, the speak button. I haven't ever pressed this before. Oh, it's like to tune. It comes up on the screen.
Say the list number of the contact you want to call.
There we go. So you have to say, no, it's calling someone. Oh no. Oh god. See, told you, never ever used that before. So basically that's to speak into wherever the microphone is. I don't even know that. I think it's up there. I think it's this bit, but you can't really even see that. But yeah, so that's to speak and to dial someone. The volume button for the stereo, obviously the horn. To change the stations, you've got them here, and then this is also to answer and put down the phone. Here you have the monitor thing to show you how fast you're driving. Seatbelt light, I've not got it on because I'm not moving. Handbrake light, I think this is to show you how hot the engine is, I think. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. Then you've got the fuel, how many miles I've done. See, I haven't done that many miles. It came with 69 miles on it, I think, because it had to get from one garage to the other. I don't know how to get rid of this, to be honest. I've not really sat down and looked into it properly, but I don't really know what this means, this trip A. It has got cruise control on this car, which I love to bits, that I use it all the time. I don't have a clue how to get rid of that, so that's always on there. Up there is the temperature. It is bloody freezing today. On the side here we have got the, I think these are the lights and the brightness of the side lights. I'm not too sure though, so don't quote me on that either. I don't have a clue. This is what I mean. I haven't, let me press it. I haven't really done anything, so I think it is to do with the lights outside. So that's that. Then if I turn the wheel, I have the wipers. So they're the wipers, and then the back wiper. Obviously my keys. Have a fluffy pom-pom, and then there's a little like compartment there what I can put like change, loose change in or something. The fans, and then you have my door. I love the handles on this car. There's like silver accents everywhere, so obviously the door handles are silver. There's like a ring around my wheel that's silver. The gear stick is silver. I love it. So yeah, so this is the door handle. Obviously you know what a door handle's used for. You lock the car like this when you're inside. There's the wing mirror things, so that's what you do to change the wing mirrors. Then I've got a little compartment in my door as well, and in here I just keep some headphones, some spare headphones, and they're just in this little Beats case. So they're just for when I'm like going uptown or something and I forgot some headphones. So I've put them in there. So in here I have a scraper. So that's the only thing that's in there. Oh no, it's not. There's a pen as well, which you always need a pen. But most of the time I keep my brolly in here. I don't know where it's gone, but I do keep my brolly in here as well because you always need an umbrella. So that's normally in there. Then the footwell, I've got my mats, the clutch, the brake, the accelerator. And then we go into the center of the car. So we have 2 cup holders here. It's empty, so I really need to take that out. And then you've got the handbrake. And then at the front here, you've got 2 more cup holders, which I love about this car. So there's 4 cup holders. In my old car, it was the new shape KA, and it only had 1 cup holder at the front and then 1 cup holder at the back. That was a pain in that car, but now I don't have to worry about that as I've got 4. And in this car as well, I love it how I've got a USB port, so I can always keep a phone charger in here to charge my phone, like say if we're going on long journeys and whatnot. And then here, there's I think it's like a cigarette lighter. Well, they used to be, but obviously in newer cars nowadays, they don't have them anymore, so it's for like extra ports where you can have USBs or sat-nav chargers and whatnot. And then there's like a little compartment, I keep my phone in that bit. Then going up, we've got my gear stick. It has 5 gears, and then the reverse. To reverse, you have to pull that bit up and then pull it to the side and down. So everyone asks me if it bothers me having the gear stick right up here, but it doesn't, because my KA was the exact same. Then I have the windows, which is handy it being here. I can reach them really easily. And then in the center, you've got all of the options to obviously choose where you want the air to go. I, at the moment, have it on me and my feet. Here is where you want it to come into the car, so like all the way around the car or through the front, I think that means. Don't even quote me on any of this because I could be talking a load of rubbish. This is for more heat, I think, on the windows. Don't even know. Don't know what this means either. And then this, I actually do know what this means. It's the start-stop button. So when taking my foot off the clutch, it automatically stops, and then as soon as I put my foot back on the clutch, it'll start the car again. This is the fans, so how fast I want them to go. Oh my gosh, that was really loud. And then push it in for aircon. And then see, this is the temperature. So where you want the heat to be, or if you want it to be cold. And then you go up and you've got your fog lights for the back and the front, the hazard lights, and then like I said earlier, you've got the city button. So basically what that does is you press that, say when you're going through a city, it makes the drive a lot smoother. The steering feels really, really light. And then you come up to the screen. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is a 13-inch screen, which I really wanted. I requested for it when I was searching for this car. So I've got 2 fans either side, and then the screen. Oh my god, my arm is absolutely killing. You'll have to excuse me if I'm really shaky. So at the moment I've got Capital on, and I love this because it tells you obviously what's on and what it's called. So that's the radio, and then it connects to my phone as well, as you can see. So that's all Bluetooth linked. It's got sat-nav on this car. This Uconnect, which is like an app that you get on your phone, but I haven't really figured out how to like use all that yet. This is my phone, see when I want to call someone, and then settings, so you can change like all your settings and everything. And then your trip. What it says on there, I think that's what this is. So it like records your trips, but I really need to know how to like use it properly. So then at the top you have the time, and then the degrees, what it is outside. But yeah, so that is that. And obviously at night sometimes the screen could be really, really bright, so you press this up here and it turns it to black. It helps when you're driving at night and it's too much. Now moving on to the side, I've got the glove box here. I love this bit, and I love that the 500 is in red. So in the door, what have we got in there? A load of rubbish again, napkins. What else have we got? Oh, we've got a sweet curry McDonald's sauce, and I'm guessing this is a McDonald's receipt. So we've got some sauces in there. Always need sauces. So that is that side of the car, basically the exact same as mine. So in the glove box we've got, this is what I meant for that. So it's got like 2 USB ports. So that's the first thing. There's my umbrella. This is my umbrella, so that can go back over there because that stays in the door normally. I've got my little tripod thing, which I'm going to start using to do drive with me's. So comment down below if you want me to do a drive with me. I was waiting for this video to be recorded before I did any. I might do one of them sometime soon, so just comment down below or give this video a like and I will do one. And then I've got another thing like this. So this is like an extension, like a proper extension. So this plugs into there like that, and then it's got 2 USB ports and then 2 more them things, so I could even plug another one of that in like that. So yeah, so that's a bit extravagant, so I probably won't use that all the time, but say if one of them breaks or whatever, I've got them there then to use. And then also in here I've got some body spray. You always need some body spray just in case I forgot to put perfume on. I've got a, what is this? Accident support service thing, so I guess it's a number that I can call if I've had an accident or something. This is what I mean, I'm a typical girl, like I don't have a clue. I just get in my car and drive, and if something don't feel right then I get it checked out, but like I don't read into all my car stuff, so I am literally a typical girl. Then this is a guide, I don't really know what that is, to be fair. I've got then my book, which has got all the information about my car in, so that needs to be read sometime soon. I have my little, oh, it fell on the floor. I think it's a tyre nut, so that just needs to stay in there, spare one. I've got an aux cable here, but this car doesn't have an aux port, so I don't really know why I've got this in here. All this car's Bluetooth, so it doesn't need an aux cable, I suppose, but it would have been nice to have one. And then this is another like section for this little tripod thing that I've got going on. So yeah, that is what is in my glove box. So then moving on to the back of the car, so the chairs just look like this. They are such a nice design. They've got like the cream all going along the edge, which I love, and then like it looks like kind of like a basketball, I think, like a basketball design on the chairs, and it's just says 500S because it's obviously the sport, and the headrests are like circles. So then you move it into the back, the chair obviously just folds just like this. On the back of these seats though, they don't have the pockets that you normally would have. Do you know, like on back of some cars they have like pockets in there, but yeah, mine don't. This is the back of the car, so I have 2 seats which are just plain black. They also have the circles. Obviously I have the back window. There's not really much to show you in the back, to be fair. Speaker there and another one there. But yeah, so that is the back of the car. The last bit to show you is the sun blinds up here, the rear view mirror, and then here I have a Yankee Candle clean cotton air freshener, and then I keep my Vivienne Westwood keyring on there as well because I love it and I think it looks so nice. And yeah, I think that is literally all I need to show you of my car. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a quick little show round of my car. I just wanted to film it because I love my car, and I know that these videos are quite helpful for people that want to maybe get this car one day, but it's a lovely little car to drive. I love it to pieces. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below any video suggestions that you may have for me. Like this video and please subscribe for more videos like this one. So yeah, thank you ever so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.